My name is Ayub Azegzaou and I am 19 years old. I heard about Ideal from my mom because I like doing it. I've always done it when I was younger, when I was a child. My instructor is Mr. Raj. He helped me with any of the lessons that I was stuck on. What I really like about this program is that I find it comfortable and easy to do, and it looks a little similar to the other activities that I've done. When I first came in, I thought that I was gonna be a little stuck, but it turns out I was doing fine, and every day I know every lesson really fast, and I even surprised Mr. Raj. What I like to do is mostly just watch videos and play games, and sometimes draw. Sometimes I like to draw. And I would advise some students to come to this school that will help them to what they want to become in the future.